LoomTex is a dye house and a weaving mill. What we do here is predominantly upholstery and furnishing fabrics. Now, fabrics and textiles go into everything in life. Stadiums, medical, defence, aerospace. We recently did the Sydney Opera House refurbishment, Laver Arena. We currently do uniforms for the Vic Police. We've got 25 staff and we are sort of gender equal from the floor through to management. Simply put, recruitment is really hard. Getting the right staff and the right employees and attracting the right talent and having talent retention. If you're going to limit yourself by only looking at one gender, you've pretty much cut in half. You know, we live in a world where there are both male, female, different cultures, etc. All of that brings excellent insights, skill sets. Culture's really, really important and something that we focus a lot on. So I like to empower our staff. We have to find out what you're good at, hone in on that and clear the path so that you can do your job. Having a lack of visible role models can be a real issue. We've just recruited a girl, Ali, and she's coming to the business. We're training her up. She's going to be our new mechanic. She's just come to us from agriculture, and in asking her, you know, after a second interview, what is it about LoomTex that's got you so excited? And she said, it's you. I haven't seen, you know, female leaders. This is exciting. I don't want to role in leadership, but it's exciting because I know with you I'll be seen. It does start with your attitude. So, you know, I have had a really fortunate and exciting career. Whenever there was an opportunity that popped up, I was always eager to put my hand up to, you know, talk to leadership and, you know, really work hard, but also be positive in putting myself forward for an opportunity. Approach it, be positive, be curious, apply yourself, work hard, you'll get noticed. Always, you know, put yourself forward, you know, make sure that you're always useful. Gender bias in the past of, you know, men are stronger, etc. With new OH&S regulations, you've got aids and tools that are always there for you. So I think, you know, if you're wondering that you're not strong enough or anything like that, that's not even a consideration. It all comes down to attitude.